Have you ever thought big budget movies are hard to make? We thought so too, but now we make the movies. Here in video production, you'll learn the 3 key stages of making a movie. During pre-production, you'll learn to write a script and budget your film so it's ready to shoot. Now for the fun part, production. Marker. Your pre-production will come in use in production. In this class, you'll learn how to use camera equipment, how to get great audio for your project, and to create whatever you want. Let your imagination run wild. Once you're done filming, you dive right into editing.
Did I also mention we offer dual enrollment?
You can also earn your Adobe certification. If what I said isn't enough to convince you, why don't you listen to some of our students?
EVIT video production means that I have a place where I feel belonged and I have many people that support me, and it's just an amazing place to be during the day. We use a lot of equipment in this class. For example, you learn how to use DSLRs, and if you love cameras, this is the place for you because you can learn on-hand experience, film industry, stuff, just standards of the film industry. So,
EVIT video production means a lot to me in my everyday life. It gives me something to do to express myself, and it brings a lot of artistic value to my life.
In the beginning, I didn't really know a lot about film and video. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. And so having the ability to really see every intricate part of any project that you're doing, it all starts coming together at the end of the curriculum, and it's all these moving parts and stuff. It really makes you feel like you're part of it.
EVIT video production means a lot to me because I've met a lot of people in this class that I don't think I ever would have met beforehand. I'm building relationships with all of them, and I'm having a lot of fun in this class. So I feel like it means a lot to me. That's what I'd say.
Okay, so EVIT means to me, it means a lot because it's given me an opportunity to actually be in the film industries because I love editing videos. So one of my favorite hobbies, so it's helping me out.
EVIT video production to me is a place that I get to hang out with my friends and have creative freedom sometimes to make what I want. I really like Mr. H, he's funny.
In video production, I get to collaborate with other people, my friends, and we get to make stories and characters and then write a script for them and then put it on screen. To me, that's really special because I'm a very creative person and I like to make movies. It's something that I've always loved to do as a kid, and being able to do that on a little more of a professional scale is a lot. It's really, really great.
One really cool thing about the EVIT program is that unlike at most high schools, we have 2.5-hour class periods rather than 1-hour class periods. And when I taught at a standard high school, that was always a problem because in 1 hour you can just barely get your lights and camera set up and dialed in. You can act out half a scene and then you have to take everything down and get it back. So it's kind of always a rush. At EVIT we have 2.5-hour classes, which allows students to actually, set up, take some time, do a couple takes, get everything together, then wrap everything up. And that is really, really helpful if you want to make long form or longer form projects because you have the time to actually do it. We have a pretty awesome advisory council. We meet twice a year. It consists of industry professionals. We have some really awesome people on there. We have a former EVIT student, Brian Osback, and he's a professional gaffer. He's worked on all kinds of stuff you've probably seen on television or in the movie theater. We have another great gaffer on our council who's worked on things like Fast and the Furious 5. He worked on some stuff with Kanye West. Some other things like really, really big stuff. And then we have the film commissioner from the city of Phoenix on board, a professor from Scottsdale Community College, a representative from the ASU Film School. We have a videographer for Channel 3 AZ Family, who was also an EVIT student back when I taught here the first time. So we really have a really awesome collection of industry people that are really actually doing this in the real world to guide the program and to offer advice and to come in and talk to the students. Just today, actually, I was on a phone call with the Phoenix Film Commissioner trying to get a film permit for some students. So we got the hookups.
Now you know. If you like movies, join us at EVIT Video Production.